Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. A delightful revelation awaits you today as I unveil a website that has proven to be a dependable source to make some extra money online. Let's not dangle the suspense any longer. The website is none other than rapidworkers.com. It's a platform where you can perform various micro tasks and get paid for your labor. The tasks are incredibly easy, taking just a minute or two, making it a handy option to earn some extra money during your free time. Being a firm believer in honesty, I personally tested this website and completed some tasks to ensure its legitimacy. The result? I made 68 cents by completing a few simple tasks within a few minutes. Keep in mind that the payment varies from task to task, so you might make more than this even by completing only one task. Moreover, several of my friends have been using this website and have successfully received their payments via PayPal. It's always comforting to have such personal experiences and know that others have had positive results too. Now, allow me to guide you on how to use rapidworkers.com. First and foremost, you'll need to create an account by providing your email address and password very easily. Once you've signed up, you can sift through the available tasks, which range from data entry to social media engagement such as YouTube views and likes, Instagram followers, rating a freelancer account, and more micro tasks that you can do without the need for different skills. Each task comes with clear instructions, and it's crucial to follow them closely to ensure your work is accepted and you receive payment. Once you have accumulated a minimum balance of $8, you can request a withdrawal. However, remember that rapidworkers.com only supports PayPal for withdrawals. Hence, ensure you have a PayPal account linked to the email address you provide on the website. When you're ready to withdraw, send an email to admin@rapidworkers.com, including your email on the site, your PayPal email for payment, and your IP address under the last login info section. Your payment will be sent within 24 hours to 48 hours. To wrap it up, rapidworkers.com is a reliable platform offering an opportunity to earn some extra money online. The tasks are easy, quick, and the payment, though relatively low, is worth the low-effort tasks. It's a simple way to earn a bit of cash during your free time. Remember, I always strive to provide you with accurate and honest information. Thus, I tested this website personally and found that it delivers what it promises. Additionally, the fact that my friends have successfully received their payments via PayPal adds to its credibility. However, bear in mind that rapidworkers.com is not a substitute for a full-time income, but it can be a great way to supplement your earnings. As always, do your own research and exercise caution when engaging with any online platform. That's all for today's video, folks. I hope you found this information helpful and reliable. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more honest money-making tips and tricks. If you have any questions or experiences with rapidworkers.com, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and happy earning.